This is the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete. Claims to be the ultimate solution for whole home adaptive cleaning, engineered with retractable sensors, extreme suction and a dual robotic arm that literally can reach out and grab dirt from places other vacuums can't even see. But is it one of our new top 5 gadgets? If you've been following the channel recently, you'll know that I've just moved house and have set up a new kind of studio filming set, and it's a bit of a blank canvas, which is always quite exciting. It has created what I'm calling the ultimate cleaning challenge. Dreame have tackled this by introducing the industry first Dual UltraExtend Arm Technology. Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete features a robotic arm system that literally reaches out and grabs dirt and pulls it into itself in order to vacuum up. It's kind of wild to see. It features a 12cm side-reaching vacuuming brush with an 18cm mop-extending robo swing pad. When it detects it's in a right angle or a chair leg or a deep furniture recess, the machine doesn't just bump into it, turn around and give up. It utilizes this first level and second level swinging arm to dynamically extend its brushes and mop itself inwards. The side brush extends up to 12 centimeters to capture dust from tight gaps, while the mop pad extends diagonally up to 18 centimeters to seamlessly clean under overhanging cabinets and baseboards without leaving any blind spots behind. It completely eliminates the need for you to go back and manually hoover up in the edges. But of course, reaching into the edges doesn't matter if the thing can't fit under low standing furniture at all, because most high-end robot vacuums have that LiDAR sensor glued to the top, sticking up like a tank turret, meaning that it's just too tall to fit under kind of any low cabinets or low standing tables. The X60 Pro Ultra Complete changes the game with its 8.8cm or 89mm ultra thin design. It achieves this incredibly sleek profiling by utilizing VersaLift navigation with a retractable DTOF sensor. When the robot is cleaning in wide open spaces, the sensor lifts up to scan the room in 360 degrees, allowing for incredibly fast and precise navigation. But the second it approaches a low piece of furniture like your bed, a sofa or a studio cabinet, the DTOF sensor physically retracts into the body. Once it's retracted, it switches over to the binocular navigation using the cameras built in to continue mapping the low surface in 3 dimensions. Dreame tested this mechanism to last for over 30,000 cycles, so it's built to survive years of hiding under your furniture. This is fantastic because, as with any new home and of course with any kind of studio setup, it's filled with expensive trip hazards. So I need a robot vacuum that's not just dumb, I need it to be smart and see where it's going at all times. X60 Pro Ultra Complete is equipped with an AI enhanced OmniSight system featuring 2 120-degree wide angle high precision AI cameras that pretty much mimic human vision. Once it has finished vacuuming a space, it will give you a little report of what it's done. It'll tell you what obstacles it's come across, what kind of large or small debris it found, and things like shoes often come up because, of course, old style dumb robot vacuums would come across shoes, would suck up the shoelaces, it would get tangled up and then get stranded and stuck, and you'd have to pull it out. If it sees a shoe and it recognizes a shoe, it'll stop, turn around and avoid that object. It boasts a lightning fast 0.1 second response time to temporary obstacles, adjusting its route on the fly without bumping into any of your gear or any of your dropped items. And if you're cleaning at night or under a dark piece of furniture, the automatic LED light activates to illuminate its path, ensuring the cameras never misidentify an obstacle in the dark. However, identifying a cable is a very different thing to identifying a spill. Standard robot vacuums will run straight through a puddle of coffee, dragging it across your whole carpet with its wheels pulling that liquid wherever it goes. Dreame engineered a brilliant proactive light dirt detection system. The front camera structure is paired with an infrared detection light. When the robot spots dirt on the floor, a blue light eliminates it to let you know that it's recognized the mess. This allows the X60 Pro Ultra Complete to dynamically adjust its cleaning strategy in real time. If it detects dirt particles like cat litter or dropped cereal, it switches to sweeping mode, but if it detects a light coloured liquids like milk or dark coloured liquids like soy sauce, it immediately switches to its mopping mode. And one thing I really wanted to ensure is a robot vacuum that's good enough on one pass to clean my carpets in one go. The one thing I hate with ones I've used in the past is a really flimsy, weak suction, which means that they end up having to be run multiple times a day just to get your carpets cleaned in the space of what a traditional vacuum would do in one. Thankfully, the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete really bucks that trend. This machine delivers a staggering 42,000 PA of Vormax suction. That massive pull effortlessly attracts heavy debris, paper scraps, and even hidden dust from deep within the carpets. To funnel all that power, Dreame completely redesigned the roller with a Hyperstream detangling duro brush. It uses a dual brush system that features a TPU rubber brush and a bristled rubber brush spinning at incredibly fast at 1600 RPM. They even increased the thickness of the rubber strips by 60% compared to their previous generation. This means it aggressively beats the dust out of thick carpets and closely hugs hard floors to pull dirt out of the grout, while maintaining 100% detangling efficiency, so you never have to manually cut hair out of the rollers. It really is that good that it does actually clean the carpets in one go. It does exactly what I want with this, and it doesn't mean that I'm there following it around with my own vacuum afterwards or getting it to run the whole program all over again. One time to run is enough to get everything cleaned. Now, having all those features doesn't help if your robot gets trapped in a room on a very simple obstacle. It's probably the number one frustration that most people have with robot vacuums, is them getting stranded on chair legs, on table legs, on door thresholds. Thankfully, Dreame have absolutely over-engineered the solution in the most perfect way possible, and I love an over-engineered gadget. Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete utilizes a highly advanced triple wheel Agi-Lift chassis. I've got some very steep and wide door thresholds in between every room, and it switches from carpet. There's a big step up and a wooden threshold. I was really keen to see how the X60 Pro Ultra would deal with that. And because it uses an independent adjustable 3-wheel control system consisting of an omnidirectional wheel and 2 drive wheel, it allows the chassis to actively lift itself 11mm or 5mm depending on the carpet height, ensuring strong suction without getting bogged down. It can seamlessly cross complex dual layer thresholds up to 30mm high. It removes the babysitting aspect of owning a robot vacuum almost entirely. And finally, when you're trying to map or clean a larger space, battery anxiety with these robot vacuums is an absolute huge problem, especially with previous generations. Quite often you'll get them halfway through a cycle, they'll have to return to the base because their battery's running. We've all seen it, we've all experienced it, it's awful. The X60 Pro Ultra Complete comes fitted with a 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is huge. It's enough to clean a 1000 square meter home in a single run. And if that isn't enough for you, just in case it does run out, it will return to base and charge with an industry leading 11 amp fast charge system. That fast charge system is so impressive that just a 5.5 minute fast charge will restore a quarter of the battery. So really impressive. It will auto resume exactly where it left off as well, providing an intelligent power management and multi-protection battery safety for non-stop cleaning. So what is the TLDR on the X60 Pro Ultra Complete? And why is this genuinely the first robot vacuum cleaner that I'm actually gonna keep in my home? It's a technological marvel, first of all. They've legitimately solved the impossible home cleaning challenges. The Dual UltraExtend arms provide 100% coverage in the corners and edges with a 12cm brush and 11cm mop reach. The 8.8cm ultra thin design and retractable VersaLift sensor allows it to guide under low furniture that would trap other vacuums. The AI-enhanced OmniSight system and proactive light dirt detection intelligently navigate over 320 objects and dynamically adapt to wet or dry messes without spreading stains. That huge 42,000 PA Vormax suction combined with a Hyperstream Duo Brush 2.0 and triple wheel Agi-Lift chassis ensure an absolute deep cleaning powerhouse across massive spaces and high thresholds. By combining all of these flagship features with lightning fast PowerMaster core charging, Dreame have delivered a truly autonomous whole home cleaning ecosystem, and they have clearly smashed it out the park. I'll of course leave links to this product in the description, so if you want to check out more information about it, that's where you can find it. And whilst you're there, you may as well like this video, subscribe for more Top 5 Gadgets, and I'll see you in the next one.